Welcome to the Heart Talk, a podcast dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and habits that keep your heart strong and healthy. In today's fast-paced world, where stress is high, lifestyles are sedentary, and processed foods often replace wholesome meals, heart disease has become one of the world's leading health concerns. And alarmingly, it's affecting younger people more than ever before. Hi, I'm Huma Qureshi, and in this episode, we're joined by a leading physician to help us understand how we can protect our hearts, detect early warning signs, and make choices that ensure a longer, healthier life. Together, we break down the science into simple, actionable steps that you can start today, because a healthier heart means a healthier you. So, doctor, tell me, why are so many people today, younger people, even celebrities, getting heart attacks at just 40? I mean, aren't heart problems for older people?
Hi, Huma. Thank you for having me. You know, one of the most worrying changes I've seen in the recent years is how heart attacks are no longer limited to older people. We are now seeing them in people in their late 30s and early 40s. And the surprising part is, it's rarely sudden. It's usually the result of years of stress, poor sleep, long sitting hours, and lifestyle related conditions silently affecting the heart.
So, what are the warning signs that I should never ignore when it comes to my heart? And when should I see a doctor?
Most people think a heart attack always starts with a severe chest pain, but that's not always true. In men, we often see chest pain or heaviness or pain going to the arms, jaws, neck with sweating. But in women, it can be extreme fatigue, breathlessness, nausea, or back pain. Very easy to dismiss. That's why listening to your body early is so important.
And what are the most important daily habits that people can adopt to keep their heart healthy and to reduce the risk of heart disease? And what are the daily habits that people can use to keep their heart healthy and reduce the risk of heart disease?
Heart health isn't built by doing one big thing once in a while. It's built into everyday life. Simple habits like eating mostly home cooked meals, walking daily, sleeping well, managing stress consistently matter more than intense workouts or crash diets. It's really the small things done daily that protect the heart.
How much do diet and physical activity actually affect your heart health, and what are your top recommendations?
Huma, up to 80% of heart diseases can be prevented by a good lifestyle. I recommend 5 pillars for health. First is good balanced meals. Smaller plates, half filled with veggies, quarter with good proteins, quarter with whole grains. Avoid sugar, excess oil, and processed food. Second is walking every day for at least 45 minutes of brisk walking. Third important pillar is strength training. 20 to 25 minutes daily is ideal. Fourth is the most ignored. Reduce your stress levels. Fifth is enough water and sleep.
What about stress? Does stress actually affect the heart, and what are the practical steps that one can take to reduce it?
Stress doesn't just stay in the mind, it shows up in the heart. Chronic stress keeps stress hormones high, which slowly damages blood vessels, raises your blood pressure and sugars. That's why calming the mind daily through walking, breathing exercise, yoga, or even creative hobbies isn't a luxury. It's a heart care. So, Huma, at the end of the day, a stressed heart ages faster and a calm mind truly protects it. Stay healthy to stay happy.
Well, as we wrap up today's conversation, remember, your heart's health is in your hands. Every small change you make, from the food you eat, the way you move, and how you manage stress, adds up to a stronger, longer life. We hope the insights have inspired you to take those steps starting today. After all, your heart works for you 24/7. It deserves the same care and commitment from you. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep your heart happy and it will keep you going strong.